Yes, welcome. Today we are going to be learning comprehension. We are going to be learning what? Comprehension. Comprehension is a very important aspect of English language in JAMB examination. You are always going to write what? Questions from where? Comprehension. Is that clear? You are always going to write questions on comprehension. Every JAMB question. So you have to pay very good attention. So what is comprehension? Comprehension is the ability to understand something. You understand? The ability to do what? Understand. That word comprehend means to do what? Understand. Comprehend. Can you comprehend what I'm saying? You understand? Comprehension simply means understanding. So when you are given a comprehension passage in JAMB, what are they expecting you to do? They are expecting you to read and do what? Understand. Read and do what? Understand. So that you can be able to answer the what? Following questions. Is that not clear? That is what comprehension passages are expected to be for you to do in JAMB exam. So comprehension is the what? Ability to understand something. It is the understanding and interpretation of what is read. The understanding and what? Interpretation of what is read. You've already read it, isn't it? Now you need to do what? Understand and do what? Interpret. You understand? When you are answering the question, it is expected that you already understood the questions. Then you are able to interpret. Sources of comprehension passages. Where can we get some comprehension passages? Where can we get comprehension passages? We have two types of sources. You understand? Then we have what we call original and what? Adaptation. Original and what? Adaptation. Whenever a comprehension passage is written by the examiner based on an event that has taken place or an event that he has witnessed, you understand? Or when he's talking about religion, he's talking about something, an economic situation. Maybe he's talking about the falling rate of Nigerian naira to the dollar. You know that it is something that is happening and somebody is writing about it. We say that that source is what? Original, because you're writing from your head, from your experience, from what you're understanding. Is that clear? Such source is what? Original. When comprehension passage is specifically written by a good user of what? English language, somebody that knows English for the purpose of what? Examination. It could be about his experience, an event, a situation which could be economic or political situation of the country. You understand? Somebody could be writing about the recent election or about Muhammad Buhari's dispensation. You understand? You're writing from your head. How you understand it? It is what? Original. Is that clear? His ideas are not what? Restricted. He can write about different things. But when the comprehension is about what has been written in a novel or in another person's book or in a textbook, when you go and lift something, when you go and call from another book or another material or article that has been written by another person, then we say that such source is what? Adaptation. That such source is what? Adaptation. Is that clear? And this adaptation could be what? Partial or what? Complete. It could be a partial adaptation or complete adaptation. When you write the whole of somebody's article and put it in an examination passage of comprehension, you're doing what? Complete adaptation. But when you go to a novel or you go to an article written by somebody and you just cut half of it or some part of it, then you're doing what we call what? Partial adaptation. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear? Now we look at how to read a comprehension. How can you read a comprehension? Do you go and read comprehension the way you're reading your notebook slowly and order? Is that the way you read comprehension? For you to maximize your time in JAMB hall, how do you read to maximize your time? Number one, you can use a method known as what? Skimming. Known as what? Skimming. What is skimming? Skimming is quickly looking for the main ideas of a word passage. And I gave you an example the last time that skimming is when you get a newspaper. You know what newspaper is? Yes, sir. You just go through it. You're looking for the main thing you want to read. You understand? You just look through. You're skimming through the what? Newspaper. Is that clear? You can just skim through. Like now, you see a heading written Nigeria versus Brazil, friendly match. You understand? When you skim through that passage, what will you be looking at? You will be looking at the date for the match, isn't it? The date Nigeria will be playing what? Brazil. You will not go and read in details. You just go to, hey, let me just get the date. Hey, this is an interesting match. Let me know the date. You understand? You go for the main idea, the main point, the date, when is the match taking place. That's what you will go to. You understand? And if you're staying in cities like Abuja and Port Harcourt, you also be going for the venue, isn't it? Because you know it's likely that they will play the match in Abuja, Port Harcourt or Kano. You understand? But if you're staying in a place like Ekiti, you might not bother about the venue because you will know that definitely you watch it on the telly, isn't it? So you skim for the main ideas. Skimming is quickly looking for the main ideas of a passage. The reader gets a general but not detailed feel of the passage. You understand? When you skim, you don't get the detailed. You get the general. Example is skimming through a newspaper. Another way of reading is scanning. Scanning is reading fast at the same time, getting full meaning of the word passage. You understand? Scanning is slower than skimming because here you try to get a little bit detailed feel of what you want. This is more detailed. It is more detailed than what skimming. And we're going to use this procedure in reading the passage that we're going to go through. Now we'll look at the theories to simplify difficult comprehension questions. When you see difficult comprehension questions, how do you go about? What approach do you use towards them so that you can understand what you are doing, so that you can get the right question? You understand? And there are these three theories that have been developed to help us solve difficult comprehension questions. Number one is what we call the chemistry theory. Number two is the psychoanalytic theory, and number three is the what? Cause and effect theory. Three of them: chemistry theory, psychoanalytic theory, and what? Cause and effect what? Theory. And in the course of our lectures, we dwelt in detail on what? Chemistry theory, isn't it? We say that these other two theory have little deficiencies. So that's why we are using the word chemistry theory. That's why we are using the word chemistry theory. And what is chemistry theory? We say that the chemistry theory is analogous to the normal chemistry course that we do, you understand? Which is the study of what? Elements. Study of elements. Watching them, the way the elements behave. So in learning chemistry theory, we learn the elements of a passage. The what? Elements of a passage. And we say that the elements of the passage are what, and what? The subject matter. You understand? The subject matter is the main story that the passage is telling us about. Number two, the theme. The theme is the second element of a passage. What is theme? Theme is the what? The lesson, the passage is teaching us. And number three is what we call the lexical items, which are the words, the difficult words. Is that clear? The words that you see when you're reading a passage, you normally encounter some difficult words, is it not? Then number three is what we call the extra grammatical structure, extra grammatical items. Number three element of a passage is what? Extra grammatical what? Items, which are things like phrasal verbs, idiomatic expressions, and what? Figures of speech. Is that not what we said? Including proverbs. So we need to identify these things. When we identify them, it will throw more light on how to tackle comprehension passage. Is that clear? Yeah. So in the next class, we are going to learn in detail chemistry theory. Is that clear? Thank you.